Hola a todos, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estáis? I'm your Spanish teacher, Kartar Singh. How's everything? So today in this lesson, we are going to learn. By the way, I hope you enjoyed that music, right? That was a typical Spanish guitar. So today in today's class, we are going to learn about the colloquial expressions. That means how Spanish people greet each other. So without waiting, there we go. All right. So basic expressions to greet someone. So the most common one that you may be aware of is, do we know that? Yes, hola. Hola means hello. It is written like this. Hola with exclamation this sign. Hola, hello. This is the most common and the basic expression to greet someone in Spanish. And another colloquial expression that Spanish people usually use is ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? I'll just write on the translation also for your reference. ¿Qué tal means what's up? And next one is ¿qué onda? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué onda? Or more or less these two expressions have the same meanings. So instead of just saying hola, ¿qué tal? You should also be knowing different expressions to increase or to amplify your vocabulary knowledge. ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué pasa? Both are informal way and it means like what's happening, what's up, what's going on. And next one, asking someone, how are you? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello, how are you? So as far we have learned hola, hola, another person would reply, ¿qué tal? Bien, fine, gracias. Next expression is ¿cómo va? ¿Cómo va is also informal way of saying how is it going? So all the expressions like ¿qué tal? ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo va? The most common way of answering just can be just bien, right? And next, ¿cómo va? ¿Cómo te va? Or you can just say buenas. It actually means good afternoon, good evening, good night. So the short form is buenas. Hello, right? And the answer of buenas is also buenas. Buenas, buenas. If someone is saying you hola, you would reply hola. If someone is saying you buenas, you can just simply say buenas, right? So these are few expressions. And now greeting someone, like how do we say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. So good evening or good night have actually the same word that we use. So good morning, buenos dias. What's the pronunciation? Can you please repeat it for me? Buenos dias. So it is like we have to pronounce each and every letter. Buenos dias. And the other person would also reply, Buenos dias. So the pronunciation is, it goes like this. Hola, buenos dias. Hola, buenos dias. It seems like there are two words, but when we speak, you have to club the word. Buenos dias, like this. Buenas tardes. So if I slow it down, it would be Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Good evening and good night. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Hola, buenos días. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. So usually when do we differentiate whether it's evening or night? Usually I think after 5 p.m. It is night, right? But it doesn't mean that there is not going to be sunlight, because if you check in summer, The days are for 16 hours. It's very surprising when I went to Spain. Like it was 9:30 p.m. and it was I could still see the sun there. So it's good. So these are the expressions of for basic greetings. Hola, ¿qué tal? And now someone is asking you, how do you reply that? Someone is asking, ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás means, how are you? ¿Cómo estás? I am putting different accent. Make sure that you're also putting that when you're writing. With the passage of time, we will learn how do we use these accents. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Very informal way of saying. The most common way of replying is Estoy bien, gracias. I am fine, thank you. So how do we speak that? Estoy bien, gracias. I am fine, thank you. Or you can just say bien, simply, or muy bien, fine, very well. Or if you're not feeling well, maybe you can just say no estoy bien. I'm not fine, I'm not well. I am not fine. Or I'm not well. Mal, muy mal. Mal is like bad, very bad. I'm not feeling good. I'm feeling very bad. So these are the expressions, colloquial expressions to greet someone informally. Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué pasa? Or you can just say, ¿todo bien? All good? The other person will also reply, all good. Todo bien. Buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. And then replying, ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Estoy bien, gracias. I'm fine, thank you. Or you can just simply say bien, fine, muy bien, very well. No estoy bien, I'm not fine, mal, bad, very bad. Or you can just say así, así, like okay, okay. Or más o menos. Writing here, más o menos, like more or less, neither good nor bad. That's it. This is about the Spanish expressions that you can use to greet someone, right? So in the next video, we will be talking about different expressions to see off someone. And with the passage of time, we will also be doing the basic conversation in Spanish. So I hope you have liked this video. I want you to comment in this video, how do you find Spanish language and what else would you like to learn about it, right? And in this way I will be aware of it and I'll be making basic videos or advanced level or intermediate level videos based on your requirement. I hope you have liked this video. So start talking, start having conversation with your friends in Spanish. And Spanish is a very beautiful language. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. All right. Muchas gracias. Adiós. Hasta luego. See you later. Adiós.